So to make this pouch slash gift bag, I used a Pringles snack box, one big and one small. If it's too big for you, you can just cut the big one. Next, I mixed in 3 different reds and painted both boxes. Then I cut a 2.5 inch by 9 inch paper and stuck it to the inside of the big box as shown. Next, make 2 holes on either side of the box. Now you can basically decorate the box however you want. You can add stickers or print some out. I had this hearts die cut, so I used it to cut some hearts out of gold contact paper. The link is in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. At this point, I realized I'd forgotten to make holes in the cover. So all you have to do is place the cover on the box and make holes, keeping in mind to align it with the holes at the bottom. And then make holes on the top as well. The top is made out of tin, so please be careful while piercing it. Don't cut yourself. I also went ahead and painted the rims in gold. Lastly, take a gold ribbon and pass it through one of the holes on the side and knot it on the inside at least 3 times just to make sure it's secure and does not come off. Then take the other end and pass it through the hole on the side of the cover and then through the top hole. Now just pass it back through the other holes as shown. And you're done. Now just fill it up with sweets, flowers, or whatever you want.